Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Today I want to talk about alienation, parental alienation, where one parent is sort of alienating the other parent, perhaps in the way they describe the mother to the children, perhaps the way she talks about the father in the presence of the kids, different forms of parental alienation. The question, though, becomes, how do you address that before the court? How do you get the court involved in taking action for a situation of parental alienation? I will tell you this. A lot of times in a divorce case, there's allegations that someone is engaging in parental alienation. But you got to understand that just because they say, oh, I understand mom burnt the dinner last night, that's not parental alienation. Not every comment or every potentially critical reaction is going to be alienation as defined or as understood by the court, or which would require the court to take action. So for you to have parental alienation that the court is going to react to and maybe take some action to limit the parenting time or protect from the exposure, you're going to have to do a couple things. Number one, you're going to have to run it by your lawyer. And you're going to have to say, look, this is what's going on. Is this something that the court's going to be concerned about? It may be something better handled internally with a discussion with your ex about, hey, this is what's repeated to me. This is what's going on. I'd really like you to not do that. I'd like you to not play my messages that I leave to you in front of the children. You know, that kind of thing. But if it doesn't work, or if your lawyer is concerned that there is a definite alienation going on, then a motion is going to be filed. And if, the transcript or the evidence has to be presented before the court, and the court can make a determination of whether or not parental alienation is going on. And if the court thinks that there is, expect that the court will limit the exposure of the children to the one who's doing the alienating. That's the appropriate remedy. It could be that the court will give a warning. It could be the parties are having an adjustment period, now that they're split up, and maybe there is something going on, and maybe there is a transition that has to occur in order for them to work effectively together, and the court might allow for that. But in clear cases where there's something evil going on in the way of alienation, expect the court to take appropriate action. If you have any questions about your case, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.